channel. Today I have the privilege to do Judy's hair. So I'm gonna be doing crochet on her hair. Her hair is already washed, and this is the type of crochet we're gonna be doing. It's like box braids, but we're trying out crochet. She's never done crochet before. So this is her first time. How do you feel, Judy?
I'm excited.
You're excited? So her hair is already washed. We're just gonna be using hand to moisturize it and then braid it. She's already partitioned it. I don't know what braid pattern we're gonna be using, but we'll show you guys as we go on. Now Judy's hair is well oiled. Nice and moisturized. So now we're just gonna begin the process of braiding it, and hopefully everything is gonna turn out great. Can't wait.
Now the cornrows are fully done. We decided to do an all down braiding pattern, which I believe is the best braiding pattern for beginners. If you do not want to do any other braiding pattern that will be more complicated for you, including the zigzag and all kinds of patterns, taking the cornrows all the way down will be best for you. So I'm going to crochet in the braids. I already did the front line because I always want to make sure it's neat and also gives an illusion of braiding it from the scalp going down. So I'm going down the side cornrows, making sure to leave 2 finger space in between the braids. This is because once I get to the middle part and reduce the spacing to 1 finger spacing, it won't be too thick, but it will be full enough. So I insert the crochet latch through the cornrow, hook the hair on it, close the latch and pull back the hair or the braid, loop the tail of the braid in and tighten it so that it does not unravel.